Hi friends, SBI PO Prelims English Session Explanation. Yes, column 1 and column 2 చూడ్డానికి కొద్దిగా రెగ్యులర్ ప్రిలిమ్స్ పేపర్లో చూసిన దానికంటే కొంచెం బిగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి. అంటే మనం ఖచ్చితంగా కాంటెక్స్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకుని ఏ కాంటెక్స్ట్ తో సూటబుల్ అవుతుందో దాన్ని మనం తీసుకోవాలి. ముందుగా ఏఎఫ్ చెక్ చేద్దామా? ఎస్, రండి ఏఎఫ్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. But we live in a time when learning outcomes are predefined and their attainment needs to be critically proved with tests. But we live in a time when learning outcomes are predefined and their attainment needs to be clerically proved with tests. Okay. The search for technical fixes is not nor is the cult of controlling teachers and children's. Maybe AFI ఉండొచ్చు. చెక్ చేద్దాం BD. The latest decision of the Supreme Court on the right of Hindu daughters to ancestral property corrects an obvious anomaly in the interpretation of a crucial 2005 amendment to the Hindu Succession Act 1956. The verdict settles as Supreme Court గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. Question whether the co-parency right correct. Co-parency right గురించి మాట్లాడాడు. Daughters అన్నాడు comes into effect only if the father through whom they claim that the right was alive. So that ఇక్కడ BD కూడా suitable అయింది కాబట్టి now we can go with C. The court has rightly recognized that the amendment conferred equal status as a co-partner on daughters in Hindu families governed by Mitaksharala, and this right accrued by birth. The change came into effect from September 9, 2005, but with a provision that partitions are testamentary disposition that had taken place prior to December 20, 2004. So that CE కి రిలేషన్ ఉంది, BD కి రిలేషన్ ఉంది, AF కి రిలేషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి our option is number 1. Question number 2. చెక్ చేద్దాం ముందుగా AD చెక్ చేద్దాం రండి. The legislative aim was that a flagrant discrimination between sons and daughters in entitlement to an equal share in co-parency property, that is property inherited from one's father. So A ki D ki relation undi. The proportion of deaths due to COVID-19 is lower than that of SARS or the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, regardless of the reported cause of death. So B ki E ki kuda relation undi. Hence first option ayi undali. ADB. One more time. BE మరొకసారి చదువుదామా. The proportion of deaths due to COVID-19 is lower than that of SARS or the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and regardless of the reported cause of death కాదు, and probably higher than that of influenza is coming with percentages all over from B and F. However, the task of counting deaths attributed to COVID-19 is full of complex challenges. So that AD తర్వాత BE కాదు, BF. Now CE చెక్ చేద్దాం. Finally, all cause excess mortality mortality can be estimated by calculating the number of deaths above expected baseline lines regardless of the reported cause of death. ఇక్కడ సూటబుల్ అయింది కాబట్టి AD తీసుకుందాం, BF తీసుకుందాం, CE తీసుకుందాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3. వన్ మోర్ టైమ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్. AD చెక్ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేద్దాం రండి. ADయా, AEయా, AFఆ? Some private schools in the country are struggling to stay afloat. As far as Anganwadis are concerned, workers are now distributing take-home rations and eggs. Those who are able to use devices are managing to catch up with their child care centers, with their lessons through the web. But in Anganwadi says this is about A and E suitable అయింది. థర్డ్ వన్ AE suitable అయినప్పుడు BF కి వెళ్ళాలి. Under the National Education Policy 2020, Early childcare has been made a part of the school system. Going by that logic, childcare centers should be opened only around the time schools are open. So that AE, BF suitable ayindi kabate CD check cheddam. It was interesting to know what happened when we followed the Supreme Court directive of sending all children who live in institutions back home or to their guardians. The children went home, but now the big problem is they are saying that they cannot continue to take care of the child. So that A is suitable ayindi, B F suitable ayindi, C D suitable ayindi. That is the third option. Question number 4. The statistics alone are staggering. On land, at sea, and in the air, Indians formed the largest all volunteer force in the world, with over 2.5 million fighting in Europe, North Africa, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Burma. What is more, India provided almost 200 millions of coal, 6 million tons of iron ore, and more than 1 million tons of steel to the Pacific War effort. దీనికి దానికి సంబంధం లేదు. India provided almost BF check చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. We are living through a new era of uncertainty, but 8 decades ago, our great forebears showed us the way ahead. 75 years on, India is a proud independent nation, but you are emphatically not alone. Our common history, BF కాదు. ఏడీ కరెక్ట్ అయినా బిఎఫ్ కరెక్ట్ కానప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా ఏదీ కాదు, ఏఈ కాదు, ఏడీ కాదు, ఏఎఫ్ కాదు. సో దట్ మిత్రులారా, ఏతో ఏది సూటబుల్ కానప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ఏడీ కరెక్ట్ అనుకున్న బిఎఫ్ కాదు, నథింగ్, none of this. Question number 5. At first we have to check AD. Come on, let us check AD. Among the numerous Indian American politicians I spoke to as the US correspondent of this newspaper, including, for example, Washington State's Pramila Jaipal and Maryland's Kumar Brave, who have questioned the policies of the Indian government, including Kashmir and the Citizenship Act. There is a distinct insensibility around recent politics that the substance of policy performance చూద్దాం. సెకండ్ వన్కి వెళ్దాం, బి అండ్ ఈకి వెళ్దాం. Ironically, biracial US politicians are shown no love from other side either, as it is appeared in the case of Miss Harris. Some Indian media outlets have already opined that Indian Americans may be muted in welcoming her nomination. B is suitable ayindi. Another potential source of friction, her views on many issues concerning India are in line with those of outspoken democratic Indian American leaders such as Ms. Jaipal and Shama Sawant, who have questioned the policies of the Indian government. So that we can go with A, D, B, E, and C up. That is the first option. This is a swap or interchange. It may be B అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి మనం V3కి వెళ్ళవచ్చు. Violated or established as a maximum that admits of no exceptions. Correct. That the fewer the words are, provided that neither grace nor clarity be violated, the more vivid always is the expression, so that it may be established. So that, my dear friends, A becomes D, AD. Many of these hardly procedures అనలేము. pithy phrases అనొచ్చు, would hardly be met with in high class literary composition, but they may be found in novels, magazines, books of travels, and generally in such writings as reproductive conversations. Literary అనేది reproductive అయింది, reproductive అనేది literary అయింది. C becomes D, that is the second one. Question number 8. Logical trip to Mars అయ్యుండదు. That is a manned trip to Mars has been declared to be the next logical step, and it has been suggested that colonizing the planet is within the realms of possibility, so that A becomes C, that is the fourth option. In modern times, correct గానే ఉంది, we daily and hourly meet with new acquaintances, from new form new friendships, and organize new associations. In modern times, we daily and hourly meet with new acquaintances, form new friendships, and organize new associations. Here B becomes C, that is the first option. Question number 10. The Maldharis of Kutch have traditionally been ఎబ్బు కాదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఎబ్ అండ్ ఫ్లో రావాలి. డి దగ్గర చూడండి, విత్ ద నొమాడిక్ కాదు, విత్ ద ఎబ్ అండ్ flow of grasslands, so that the Maldaris of Kutch have traditionally been nomadic pastoralists, traversing the region as seasons change with the ebb and flow of grasslands. That is B becomes D, fifth option. A wet coal field requires more oxygen, దానికి ఎక్కువగా ఏం కావాలి, and faces a inefficient form the evaporation of water in using from the evaporation of water. A wet coal field requires more oxygen consumption and faces in efficiency from the evaporation of water. Consumed in deficient from కాదు, burning oxygen burning కాదు, oxygen use and faces a inefficient from కాదు, so that consumption correct కాబట్టి fourth one కి వెళ్దాం. The dash has shifted producer to customer. The limitation has from to ఉంటే the power has from to ఉంటే బాగుంటుందేమో కదా, కరెక్ట్. The power has shifted from producer to customer. Money have been unknown, waters have been unknown. That is an integral part of all successful rural electrification programs. Rural electrification programs లో ఏదో ఒకటైంది. Dashed across the world, very good. Across the world కాబట్టి we can go with the subsidies. Apply చేసి చదువుదాం. Subsidies have been an integral part of all successful rural electrification programs across the world, ranging from developed countries like USA to developing countries in Latin America and Asia. That is the second one. Question number 14. The series of dash banknotes are dash by the are issued. Constitutional banknotes కాదు, that is Mahatma Gandhi banknotes are issued by the, that is a fourth one. Question number 15. Processed chemicals are used dash agriculture లో కాబట్టి in agriculture and industry as auxiliary materials such as adhesives, unprocessed plastics, dyes and fertilizers. Processed chemicals are used in agriculture and industry. That is the third option. Question number 16. We appeal to the banking customers to bear with us for this disruption. We appeal to the banking customers to bear with us for this disruption in services due to the strike, but the same has been forced on us by the bank managements and IBA. One more time, we appeal to the banking customer to bear with us for this disruption in services due to the strike. AC, that is ACBD, second option. Question number 17. While the man's temperature was normal on arrival, B తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే BCD అయి ఉండాలి. He developed a cough and fever on 29th February and was driven to a hospital where he tested positive for coronavirus. That is BCDA. Question number 18. India is a country of different languages. India is a country of different languages and every language has its own importance. But it is very important to have a language of the whole country which become the identity of India globally. India is a country of different languages and every language has its own importance. But it is very important to have AC, a language of the whole country which should become the identity. So that ACDB second option. Question number 19. As one of the world's leading energy producers, the kingdom will continue working constructively with other producers within and outside OPEC to maintain market stability, thus protecting all the interests of producers and consumers alike. మరొకసారి చదువుకుందామండి. As one of the world's leading energy producers, the kingdom will continue working constructively. B తర్వాత C వచ్చింది. B తర్వాత C అంటే దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ వన్ అయి ఉండాలి. With other producer within and outside OPEC to maintain market stability, thus protecting all the interests of producers and consumers alike. That is BCAD. Question number 20. By giving into the Taliban's demand, the US had practically called into question the legitimacy of the government it backs. By giving into the Taliban's demand to the US, the US had practically called into question the legitimacy of the CBAD. That is the third option. Now question number 21. There is extensive historical evidence that our ancestors may have witnessed a massive invasion of unidentified flying objects lapsing on their territories కాదండి, encroaching, వాళ్ళ మీద encroach చేస్తున్నది. There is extensive historical evidence that our ancestors may have witnessed a massive invasion of unidentified flying objects encroaching on their territories. That is the fourth option. These extraterrestrials are signified to have, are alleged to have అయి ఉండాలి. These extraterrestrials are alleged to have come into touch with ancient earthly populations and helped them erect numerous magnificent structures or even establish glamorous empires. However, the present day fascination with UFO was only discharged, instigated and provoked as constituted by the first widely proclaimed American sighting in Idaho in 1947. Since that time, countless other close encounters have been reported both by highly credible witnesses such as top class pilots and less credible ones such as ordinary civilians. Thousands of people around the world maintain having come close to the visitors from outer space or to have been abused for a scientific study. Abused for inside their flying saucers. Abused కాదండి. That is మరొక్కసారి. Thousands of people around the world maintain having come close to the visitors from outer space or to have been abolished for no, abbreviated for no, that is abducted for a scientific study inside their flying saucers. Although most of these accounts have been dismissed as fantasy or hallucinations, there is a dash criticism. రోజు రోజుకి criticism పెరుగుతోంది. There is a mounting criticism from the public and media for ignoring the subject for too long. Too many people rejecting even the most inexplicable sightings or UFO encounters as luminous artificial objects, natural phenomena like auroras, or even as meteorological balloons and satellites seems to be an irresponsible approach. 21 లో అనుకున్నాం అవన్నీ కూడా ఫ్లయింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, అన్ఐడెంటిఫైడ్ ఫ్లయింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ టెరిటరీస్ మీద ఎగ్రోచ్ చేస్తున్నాయని ఆర్ ఎలిజెడ్ టు హ్యావ్ కమ్, అవి విధంగా వచ్చాయని చెప్తున్నారు. వాజ్ ఓన్లీ alleged to have, absolutely right. However, the present day fascination with UFO was only constituted by the first widely proclaimed American sighting కాదు, that is instigated, provoked by, convinced by or provoked by, so that the visitors from outer space are to have been abducted for a scientific study. And ఈ criticism రోజు రోజుకి పెరుగుతోంది కాబట్టి that is mounting criticism. Telecom regulator TRAI have issued a fresh set of rules for publication and advertisements of tariff plans by telecoms in a bid to boost transparency in mobile offers and to help subscribers make informed decisions. The consumer-oriented move assumes significance as telecom subscribers often grapple with issues such as lack of information, unclear or hard to find plan details, a situation that affects subscribers' ability to make proper choices. It has been observed that existing measures adopted by telecom service providers are not transparent as they should be, and that some of the telecom service providers are not prominently highlighting additional terms and conditions and are also collating the terms and conditions applicable to various tariffs on a single web page, and that the relevant information either gets lost in the maze of detail or becomes ambiguous and incomprehensible to consumers. Overhauling the regulatory requirements in this regard, TRAI has now directed telecoms to publish service area wise within 15 days each tariff plan for postpaid and prepaid subscribers and offer full information to subscribers at customer care centers, points of sales, retail outlets, and websites and apps with requisite disclosures. The essential disclosures mandated in TRAI's directive include information on units, volume of voice, data, and SMS, and its rates, limits of usage, rates, and speeds beyond entitled use. Telecoms will also have to transparently inform subscribers about upfront cost along with detail like advance rentals, deposits, connection fee or fee for postpaid services, as well as top-up tariffs, vouchers, and others. TRAI asserted that clear, unambiguous, and easy to understand disclosure also has to be made on the validity period of tariff plan and last date of bill payment. Other details that have to be transparently communicated to subscribers are specific inclusions made in the tariff plan. Telecoms are now also required to offer complete details of all charges that may be levied on consumer for usage of the said product. TRAI also asked Telecom to disclose all promised service parameters such as data speeds in clear terms. Even details of fair usage plan will have to be communicated clearly. Telecoms have been asked to submit to TROI a compliance report within 15 days. They will also have to ensure continued compliance by way of self-certificate by the 7th of the month after each quarter end. And tariff advertisements, TROI has directed telecoms to prominently highlight additional terms and conditions and also provide a link to the norms for each of the offering while disseminating tariff related information within the next 15 days. Why TROI have introduced new rules for publication and advertisement of telecom services. ఎందుకని ట్రాయ్ ఇటువంటి రూల్స్ ని పబ్లిష్ చేయమని అడుగుతోంది అని అంటున్నాడు. ట్రాయ్ డస్ నాట్ లైక్ ద ప్లాన్స్. నో, ట్రాయ్ ఈ సెట్టింగ్ ఏ న్యూ స్టాండర్డ్. జీడిపియా సంబంధం లేదు. టెలికామ్ సర్వీసెస్ డస్ నాట్ ప్రొవైడ్ proper information and often people are ambiguous. That is the third option. Now question number 27. What are the problems faced by the people with the telecom services? The telecom services deviate in the name of terms and conditions. One, correct. They do not clearly explain the tariff and simply charge the customers. One, correct. Two, correct. అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా all the above అయి ఉండాలి. They provide very little information to the public and causes confusion. That is also correct. So that we can go with these are the problems that are faced by the customers due to telecom operators. 28. What are the rules imposed on the telecom services by TROI? They imposed taxes on their newly launched. They will have to provide all the hidden costs of plans and vouchers, etc. That is the second one. Question number 29. Why TROI is not satisfied with the current telecom service providers? Enduku satisfy avvaled? As they are not meeting the regulating points. As they are not highlighting additional terms and conditions. Correct. Second one. That is not the satisfied thing. What are the promised service parameters to be informed transparently to the customer? They have to provide, yes, they have to provide validity, correct. They have to provide data speeds also clearly. That is third option. Yes, my dear friends, SBI PO prelims ఇంగ్లీష్ సెషన్లో ఈరోజు మనం కాలమ్స్ చూసినాం, ABCD మోడల్లో ఉన్న జంబుల్డ్ చూసినాం, ఫిల్లర్స్ చూసినాం, and now we can see one closed test and one reading comprehension. Thank you very much. Meet you again.